Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come with a very healthy, no added sugar, probiotic pudding recipe. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Now let's get started. In a pot I am taking milk. I will be taking 5 cups of milk. 1 cup I am saving it. Just you can see I am adding 3 tablespoons of milk powder. This is optional. This is to keep the yogurt or the pudding nice and thick without having any liquid in it. Today we will be following the same recipe as you will make yogurt at home. Just the same way. For that reason I don't want the yogurt or the pudding should be little bit liquidy or watery. For that reason I am adding this milk powder. You can also skip it or you can add it. Nicely give it a good mix and keep it on stove and boil the milk. Not too much, only until your finger resists the heat. We are not going to boil it too much. Already it is a boiled milk, so that I am not going to boil it. If you are using raw cow milk or any other milk you need to boil, then you can boil. Now what I have taken is figs. These are nicely soft figs. I have soaked it. For 1 cup of milk we will use 4 figs. This is the proportion. So I have taken 5 cups of milk. For that reason I have taken 20 figs. I nicely soaked it for at least half an hour to 1 hour, or soak it in little warm water. It will easily get soaked. I am just, for my convenience, I am chopping it. Just you can add it to the blender like that also. Now I will blend all these chopped figs with the help of some milk. I'll take little bit of milk which I have kept for boiling. Now I will add to this figs and we will just mix it in the blender. Remember, this whole procedure is just like we are making yogurt at home. This is like flavored yogurt you can take. See, I have a hand blender. I am using hand blender with the cup with it. If you have any food processor or a mixer jar or anything will work. Or if you have a hand blender, directly in the milk itself you can add your figs and run this beater. The proportion 1 cup milk with 4 figs is very apt. 3 means little less sweetness. 4 is exactly nice because figs taste will be little bit strong. 4 is good. 5 also I don't recommend. If you want more sweetness you can also add some dates to this. That is the option. Otherwise you want really sweet means you can add little 1/4 cup of milk maid, but I am not adding anything. Mild sweetness itself is for me more than enough. In the month of Ramadan these type of healthy options are much appreciated. Sure, give it a try. I have taken small cups. These are 1 cup size proportion they are. Just like how you will serve the flavored yogurt in 1 cup. Like that I am going to keep it for setting it. That is, I'll keep it for fermenting now. There is some property with the figs that will help the milk curdle very fast, so you don't need to keep it too long also. Now what I will do is, after dividing everything into small bowls, the remaining one I am just transferring it to another bowl and I will be keeping inside the oven. That is the place where I can feel. In my house it's very warm, so I will just, I'm not putting it for baking. I'm not oning the oven. I'm just putting the light inside. The light will give nice heat in the oven. I will just on the light and keep it for fermenting. Like how you will keep the curd overnight, like that I will keep only for 4 hours. Only for 4 hours is more than enough. See, after 4 hours how firm the yogurt is. It is nice, thick and jelly like consistency. You can see I am showing you multiple cups. It's nice and firm pudding is set. Now I will keep this set pudding inside the fridge for it to become nice, chill and cold. Serving this pudding nice and chill is more tastier. Do not serve it at room temperature. I will keep it overnight. so that it will be nice chill like pudding or ice cream also. These are the toppings I am going to use. I have taken walnut, pista and some choco chips. I have taken cinnamon powder. For elders, you can just sprinkle some cinnamon powder, and much more appreciated if you add cinnamon powder with some granulated sugar also. I am just topping with anything you like, either walnut, pista, or for kids you can choose to place some choco chips, and that is cocoa powder. Cocoa powder also you can just use drinking chocolate or hot chocolate mix if you have. Kids will appreciate it more. Just to show that no added sugar is a very nice healthy option, I have chosen to do like this. If you add little bit of sugar also, it is okay. Kids will love it more. This way you can choose any topping of your choice: nutmeg, cinnamon, cardamom powder or hot chocolate powder. It is a very healthy way of adding probiotics to your everyday meal plan. We all know that figs are very good for health, but we will not be able to consume in our day-to-day life. But this way it will be so nice and delicious. If you want, you can add Milkmaid at the time when I added the milk powder itself. No worries, that will enhance more taste. You can see how nice thick, see no water is released. Same process as we make yogurt. Even while making plain yogurt also you can add milk powder. Try it and let me know. Hope you all like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.